On this month's antique motorcycle ride, we will explore the history of the Indian Chief from its first series of production from 1922 to 1931, and that of a Mike Lynch restoration of a 1925 model that will be shown at the Quail Motorsports Gathering in Carmel later this month. We will do that as we ride a 1916 Excelsior and a 1930 Indian Scout on a few of the roads of our hometown. The 1925 Indian Chief, specifically the Model 74 Big Chief, represents one of the most important early milestones in Indian's big twin lineage. It was a heavy, torque-rich V-twin designed for sidecar duty, but was also beloved by solo riders, and it helped define the brand's identity in the 1920s. The Indian Chief line debuted in 1922, replacing the Power Plus. It used Charles Franklin's integrated engine and gearbox design and gear-driven primary. In 1923, Indian introduced the Big Chief, enlarging the engine to 74 cubic inches specifically to improve torque for sidecar use. By 1925, the Big Chief had become Indian's premier heavyweight model, marketed as a smoother, more powerful touring machine. Mechanical specifications for the 1925 model engine: it was a 74 cubic inch or 1,213 cubic centimeters side valve V-twin, L-head design. Amazingly, power was only rated at 8.45 horsepower, but real output felt much higher due to its massive torque. The transmission was a 3-speed handshift. The frame was double cradle, rigid at the rear, with a front suspension that utilized a trailing link fork, tipping the scales at 410 pounds, and was priced at $335 in 1925. Period brochures emphasized several exclusive Indian features, which included horizontal gear drive, a gear-driven primary with no chains to stretch, a unit power plant where the engine and gearbox were bolted together, a 2-unit electrical system, magneto plus battery lighting, and deep red paint, Indian's trademark color since 1904. In 1925, Indian was still the largest motorcycle manufacturer in the world, with the Chief and Scout forming the backbone of its lineup. The Big Chief helped Indian compete directly with Harley-Davidson's J-Series twins, offering more displacement and a distinctive engineering philosophy. On to Mike Lynch's 1925 Chief. Mike specializes in frame-up restorations of early American motorcycles, to which this 101-year-old machine is his latest project. Purchased in 2025 as a basket case in his hometown of Danville, Mike has been diligently rebuilding its power plant, transmission, magneto, speedometer, machining, welding, bending, sanding, and painting its engine, frame, and sheet metal into the masterpiece it is today. It was not 100% complete as I write this, but rest assured that it will be within just a few more days. Great work, Mike. Wishing you the best at the Quail.